In question 5, you're asked to calculate the capacity of each of the cuts. And question 6, you'll have to design and make a series of cuts to work the maximum flow. The first instance here, 20 and 20, 40, 10 and 30, 40. Here, 10, 15 and 20. Notice here how they cut from the source to the sink. In the case of D, we've got to be a little bit cautious. That's a valid part, as indeed the 30, but we can't count the 15 as the cut from 20. The 20 cut, I should say, has already cut the flow. So that just counts as 50. The next instance, we'll have, 39. And this instance here, we count the 10, we can't count the 5, we count the 14, we count the 8, and we count the 15. So 10 plus 14 plus 8 plus 15 gives us 47. Just to make sure that you don't include any backflows. The 10 has already cut everything to the right of it there, the 16 as well as the 5. Now, question 6, you're asked to use the maximum cut, minimum flow in order to work out each of the following questions. So there's a number of cuts we can make. They're the three most obvious ones. In the first instance, I've got 27 and 14, which is 41. I've then got a 37 as my second cut. The third one, 33 and 10, which is 43. That's pretty much all I can do. Oh, sorry, I've got another one here I could make, I suppose. 18, 43 and 57. So the minimum cut here will be 37. Just remember that when we look at this, this will be units like cars per minute, litres per minute, or whatever. And the next one, there's a few cuts we can make. I'm not going to include the 23. And the third one here I could make. There are other prospects. That first one there is 97. The next one doesn't include the 23, but includes the 46 and 35, and that will give me 81. That looks pretty promising, and 97. So the minimum cut represents the maximum flow of 81 units per minute or whatever. The next one, just make a few cuts. Well, this has to be by trial and error. 70, 63. This guy here, 60, seems to be the most likely candidate. I could make another cut here. That's a total of 65. There's also a cut through here, which is obviously 70. So maximum flow is the minimum cut found by trial and error. I'll just put the ones through that I found earlier on the last two diagrams, and you can double check them.